At ESDi, we don't just host students. We co-create transformative academic experiences. We design programs that go beyond mobility, beyond classrooms, beyond expectations. Welcome to the custom program at ESDi, where academic excellence meets real-world design challenges. The custom program was born from a clear mission: to expand ESDi's international academic reach through fully personalized experiences for partner institutions around the world. This is not a standard study abroad package. This is co-creation. Each program is designed together with the partner institution. Every element aligns directly with the university's curricular objective and strategic vision. Because true internationalization is not about sending students abroad. It's about designing an experience that generates impact. Recently, we welcomed students from Denmark for an intensive academic experience centered on design thinking and sustainability. In just 5 days, we built a dynamic learning ecosystem. Lectures, applied workshops, interdisciplinary collaboration, and a creative hackathon inspired by the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Students work side by side with ESDi students, tackling real sustainability challenges, developing prototypes, and presenting their solutions before an academic panel. They receive a structured evaluation, professional feedback, and a real sense of responsibility. At ESDi, design is never abstract. Our educational model is rooted in real-world engagement and strong industry connections. Within each custom program, we integrate professional visits, applied methodologies, company perspective, and active learning frameworks such as design thinking, creative facilitation, and emerging design technologies, including artificial intelligence. We can develop programs in fashion, interior, graphic, product, and audiovisual design, but also in design futures, visual thinking, strategic creativity, and innovation-driven disciplines. And then there is Barcelona, a living laboratory of design, from Catalan modernism to contemporary innovation. The city is a vibrant ecosystem where architecture, culture, creativity, and industry intersect. Students experience design not only in classrooms, but in streets, museums, studios, and innovation hubs. Academic rigor meets cultural immersion. The impact goes beyond credits. Students develop critical thinking in an international context. They collaborate within multicultural teams. They apply real methodologies to real challenges. They gain global awareness, professional confidence, and a deeper understanding of sustainability and innovation. At ESDi, we do not simply organize programs. We build strategic academic partnerships. Our custom programs are personalized, industry-connected, and impact-driven, designed to generate long-term value for institutions, for students, and for the future of design education. Custom program at ESDi: academic excellence, real-world design challenges, cultural immersion, fully tailored.